Mark appliance cutout edges and lay out tiles so they align precisely with cabinetry and appliance openings before setting any mortar. Start by measuring and marking the exact edges of each appliance footprint on the subfloor and on the face of base cabinets using a pencil and a square. Dry lay full tiles across the entire run from the marked appliance lines outward to see how partial tiles will fall, and aim to place any narrow cuts in hidden areas such as behind a toe kick or at the far end of a run. Use a chalk line snapped from a reliable reference point such as a center line of a sink or the long run of cabinetry to keep rows straight, and adjust that line after the dry layout until the gaps at appliance edges are even. For refrigerators and ovens, allow the manufacturer recommended clearance plus a hair for tile thickness, and transfer that combined measurement to the tile face so you can make an accurate notch or reveal. Where a corner cabinet or angled toe exists, cut tiles to follow the cabinet face with a coping cut so the grout joint remains consistent and the tile edge does not protrude into the appliance space. Before any adhesive is applied, check the floor for flatness and shim under cabinets if necessary, so tile will not rock when appliances are later installed. Common mistakes include failing to transfer appliance clearances, which causes tiles to be too tight against a fridge or range and makes installation or removal difficult, so always mark and add the needed clearance to the layout. Another issue is snapping reference lines before a proper dry lay, which locks you into an awkward layout, so dry lay and then move chalk lines until reveal widths are even. A third problem is not accounting for tile thickness at cabinet cutouts, which makes doors scrape or not close. So measure the combined thickness of tile and thinset and incorporate that into cabinet edge cuts or adjust the toe kick depth. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for precise tile and cabinetry work and lets contractors showcase their services to nearby customers. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share layout tips, measurements, and real job photos to help plan accurate installations.